How do we treat a person that we do not know? If a person is a stranger to us, we do not easily give our 100% trust. Kapag hindi natin kilala, hindi tayo basta-basta nagtitiwala. Laging may pag-aalinlangan, laging nagdududa, laging nag-iisip. Maganda kaya ang gagawin nito? Ibibigay ko ba yung tiwala ko? There is always that sense of caution in dealing with people we do not know. And comparing it to a person that we already know, to someone we can easily relate, to someone who has already been part of our life, then it would be easier for us to relate with that person. Mas madaling makitungo kapag kilala mo na yung tao. Mas madaling kausapin, mas madaling pagkatiwalaan kapag nakasama o naging bahagi na ng buhay mo yung taong iyon. Somehow there is always that bias towards strangers. It may seem that there is a little discrimination towards people that we do not know. But what if that stranger does something good to us? What if that person that we do not know suddenly does something that is unexpected of? Yung pinagdududahan natin, biglang may ginawang kabutihan, biglang may magandang ginawa sa atin. What if that person that we are worried about all of a sudden does something extraordinary for us? And the moment that this happens, for sure, our walls of biases, our walls of discrimination would fall down because something good has been done to us. Nawawala yung ating pagkabayas, nawawala yung ating pagdududa dahil may kabutihan na ipinaabot, may kabutihan na ginawa para sa atin yung isang dayuhan, yung isang hindi natin kilala. And as we look back to our first question, how do we deal with people we do not know? How do we deal with strangers? Hopefully, we do not only see our own capacity to do something good. Kapag hindi natin kakilala, maraming pagdududa. Kapag hindi natin kakilala, kapag gusgusin sa ating paningin, maraming haka-haka. Hopefully, we do not only see our own capacity, we also see the potential of each person to do what is good, to do what is right. And whenever we see the good deeds of other people, may we also be reminded of our own responsibility to act justly and righteously. Dahil tayo din dayuhan sa paningin ng iba. Tayo rin hindi rin kakilala ng ibang tao. Pero sana kaya pa rin nating makipagkapwa-tao. Kaya pa rin nating gawin yung tama. Kaya pa rin nating gawin yung nararapat para sa ating kapwa.